Before cleaning your Toshiba portable air conditioner filter, safety is the top priority. Always unplug the unit from the electrical outlet to prevent any electrical hazards. For optimal performance and air quality, clean your Toshiba portable air conditioner filter every 2 weeks. Some models have a filter indicator on the remote control that will light up when cleaning is needed. To remove the filter, first locate and open the air inlet grill on your indoor unit. The opening mechanism varies by model. Some filters slide out while others require you to release a latch or push down on a hook. When removing the air filter, handle it carefully and note its orientation. This will ensure you can reinstall it correctly later. The filter may have arrows or markings indicating the proper airflow direction. If your filter is heavily stained or dirty, wash it in lukewarm water with a mild detergent. Use gentle soap and avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the filter material. After washing, rinse the filter thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap residue. Any remaining detergent could affect the filter's performance and potentially damage your air conditioning unit. Remember, proper filter maintenance is essential for your air conditioner's efficiency and your indoor air quality. The next step will be drying and reinstalling the clean filter. After washing your filter, proper drying is essential before reinstallation. The filter must air dry completely in a shaded area. Place the filter in a shaded area with good air circulation. Never use direct sunlight or heat sources, as these can damage the filter material. Critical warning: never put a wet filter back into the unit. Moisture can damage the air conditioner's internal components and reduce its efficiency. Allow the filter to dry completely. This typically takes several hours, depending on humidity and air circulation. Once the filter is completely dry, you can begin the reinstallation process. First, ensure the filter is properly oriented. Carefully align the filter with the air inlet grill. Most filters have guides or tabs that help ensure proper positioning. Gently slide the filter back into position until it clicks or sits securely in place. Finally, close the air inlet grill securely. Make sure it latches properly to maintain proper airflow. For general maintenance, clean the unit exterior using a damp, lint-free cloth with mild detergent. This removes dust and maintains appearance. After cleaning with the damp cloth, always dry the unit thoroughly with a separate dry, lint-free cloth to prevent water damage. Regular filter cleaning every 2 weeks prevents reduced efficiency caused by clogged filters and ensures your air conditioner operates at peak performance. Following these proper drying and reinstallation steps ensures your Toshiba portable air conditioner continues to provide clean, efficient cooling for years to come.